Welcome to the Ritz-Carlton, Boston. This is the one on 10 Avery Street. It was originally built in 2001 and has been renovated in 2017. The room we're in tonight is a twin, or actually a two double bedroom with a park view. The hotel is close to sold out today, so we're very lucky to have this room. As you can see, the room has traditional Ritz-Carlton bedding with great sheets and pillows. That's always an important element anytime you stay at a hotel, and I definitely appreciate that here at the Ritz. You'll also find that there is a phone, as well as sound and audio here in the center, as well as a plug for your phones. That's always helpful. They just did turn down here, and in fact we just checked in, and as you can see, there is a nice sitting room area here, and I'll give you an idea of the park view. The glare isn't too much for you. There you can kind of see it. We're right across from the Boston Commons, so great location. This neighborhood has really moved up in the last 20 or 30 years and continues to be one of the hotter neighborhoods in Boston. As you can see, the room is very comfortable. This would be a great place for a family, as well as somebody here on business like myself. You'll generally find all of the fittings and finishes consistent with a Ritz-Carlton. You'll find here a nice desk area. I think that's a chair. Yeah, okay. We'll explore this together. I think there is a refrigerator area. That's nice. All new HVAC. As I mentioned, this property was renovated in 2017. Full closet, ironing board, and luggage valet. I don't always find those very helpful. I don't know about you. It's easier usually just to put your bags out elsewhere. The bathroom is very much on brand for a Ritz-Carlton. Full deep soaking bath with all marble facing treatments. That looks nice. In this instance, a single vanity, and I'll show you the shower. Here you have the diptyque toiletries, and basically this is very common, this type of bathroom, for all of the Ritzes built of this era. Whether you go to Grand Cayman, whether you go to DC, whether you go wherever, very much on brand. So, very comfortable, very glad to be here, and I'll show you a little bit more around the hotel in a bit, but this is the room.